Hello YouTube, this is Kurt and welcome to the Kurt Winters YouTube channel, dedicated to bringing you advice on collecting cars and celebrating the history of these amazing machines. This car kind of sets up a point that I'm going to make about the next three cars, which is registering your vehicle as an antique auto in the state of Texas. So let's talk some more about that and go take a look at some of my other cars. Okay, so here's your first option. Once your baby hits 20 years of age, go down to your tax collector assessor office and ask for an antique plate. This is what they're gonna look like, okay? Now, I've had this antique plate on here for a while. I did not get to choose my layout, B12386P. I don't know if that's an opening from Sesame Street, but whatever. But what you're going to notice is that this plate is good through 2023. So why is that important? I paid $185 fee to register this as an antique, and I have a 5-year registration. Of course, this plate's already been on here a couple of years. I have a 5-year registration in which I do not have to get the car inspected, and I do not have to put a sticker on the front of my car. So let's walk around over here to the vet and I'll show you what I mean. You'll notice all of my antique cars, and isn't it weird calling a 20-year-old car an antique car? All of my antique cars do not have registration stickers on them, because part of owning an antique car is you're not getting inspected, and your registration sticker is actually the tiny little white decal that you attach to your license plate. So you're saying, Kurt, that sounds like a lot of work. You know, I don't want to go to the tax collector's office, blah, blah, blah. But check this out. I've got the vet. I've got the Nissan 300ZX. I've got the Mitsubishi 3000 GT, all registered as collector cars. So $85, $85, $85. That's good for 5 years. Plus, you don't have to take your car to Jiffy Lube or Firestone or wherever you go and let some grease monkey and your baby try to park it or try to find neutral or first gear, because you know you want to be the only person driving your car. Now, there is another option when it comes to vintage license plates, one that's really close to my heart, and let's go take a look at it, okay? So we all love nostalgia. We all want to be forever young, right? Well, before the situation hit, me and my wife were in an antique store located in Keller, Texas, when we were kind of shuffling through antique license plates, which I kind of already collect on my own, but I think are really, really cool. Now, I learned something about antique license plates that I wanted to show you. So let's take a look at the license plate on the vet, and let me show you what I mean. If we come down here, I was even able to preserve the sticker even more. So remember, this vet is a 1994, which we have here, last registered in the state of Texas, along with the registration number. Now you'll notice I was able to keep that sticker, and I actually have a plate that was last registered in 94 on a car from 1994. Now, I don't know if that's cool to you or not. If you think it's dumb, put it in the comments below. If you think it's cool, be heard and put it in the comments below too. But I also wanted to show you, to stay legal eagle, we also have this sticker right here for Tarrant County. So this is telling you that this antique vehicle is registered through 2025 and will not require an inspection. It will not require a sticker on the windshield or any other type of documentation to keep it completely legal on the road. So that's a really, really good tip. If you're wondering, Kurt, I see that you have 6, 7 cars. How do you afford registration? How do you afford inspection every year? The trick is you don't. Remember, if you enjoy the content of this video, click subscribe and join the tribe. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I really want to impress on you that you can collect cars not only on a budget, you can do it affordably, and if you use your brain just a little bit, you can save a ton of money. So keep watching this channel. I've got lots of more tips and tricks and what you should pay for your classic car and some of the pitfalls that you want to avoid when buying a classic car. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so rounding out the Corvette's quirks and features. Try it again. Okay, is a Corvette practical? You tell me.